Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch the audio on your Steam Deck, maybe over to like a headset or something like that. And this is relatively easy to do. You want to switch the output. So press Steam, or you can just keep pressing B until you open up the side menu right here. But scroll on down to Settings. Press A on this. Scroll on down to where it says Audio. And go to the right. Now we have Output. And this is going to be for like our speakers and stuff. So you can see output device. We want to select this, then press A. Then we have external device, speakers, etc. So if you have something connected by Bluetooth, like your Turtle Beach headsets or something like that, well, you should be able to see it on this list right here. All you have to do is select it. Then make sure the volume is loud enough. Maybe the volume on your headset isn't loud enough too. Make sure to turn that up as well. Then we have voice, input device. We might want to switch the microphone over to our headset as well. So locate under here. And then we have UI sounds. If we don't want to hear the clicks when we move, we can turn that on or off right there. Then we can press this button down here. Go down to the quick settings menu. And then we have microphone right here. If we want to increase or decrease this. So I'm going to put it right about here. And then we have the audio slider. Brightness as well. Then we have the quick buttons on the top for volume. We have airplane mode, night mode, Bluetooth. So we want to make sure Bluetooth is turned on so we can connect our headsets right there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.